the last video we discussed the chapter probability, the formulae, the terms and all. So in this video we are going to discuss some more questions from the NCERT exercise and the optional exercise. So we are going to start the question number 14, because in the last video we couldn't discuss this type of question, depends on the cards. So one card is drawn from well shuffled deck of 52 cards. Find the probability of getting a king of red color face card, a red face card, the jack, spade and the queen of diamonds. So first of all, it is given a card is drawn from a well shuffled deck of 52 cards. So if S is taken, suppose S is equals to the number of cards, okay, total cards. These are the total cards. So we can write the number of S. S is the sample space. Total sample space is here and is a number for that, and we are giving here how many cards? 52 cards. Now for the first part. In first part, it is given that a king of red color. It is given a king of red color. Okay. So we will write here, take care, one alphabet. So a king of red color. What is our A indicating here? A king of red color. So we will take here number of A. How many kings will be there of red color? There will be 2 kings. You know that in the last video we had discussed the heart and the diamond are of red colors, and each suit is having one king. So 2 suits, so 2 kings. So number of A is 2. Now we will find the probability of A. A we have written here a king of red color. So here we can find probability of A is equals to number of A upon number of sample space. So number of A is 2 and the sample space is 52. So if we divide this, we are getting here 1 upon 26. This is the question. Now we can take the second part here. In second part, what we are having in second part we are having a face card. So a face card. So we will take one more alphabet and we'll write here a face card. In the last video, this already we have discussed that each suit is having 3 face cards and 4 suits are there. The 4 threes are 12. So there are 12 face cards. Okay. So what is the probability of B? That is the number of B upon number of S. Number of B is 12 upon 52. If we divide this, we will get here 4 threes are, and here is 13. Now we can take the third part. In third part, we are given a red face card. So C alphabet will take and we'll write here a red face card. So number of C is equals to how many? A red face card. Only red face card we have to take. So how many red face cards are there? In last video we had discussed the face cards here. So this is face card, king, queen and jack, and it is given a red face card. So red face card means 2 suits are here. In each suit there are 3 face cards, so 2 suits there are 6 face cards. So number of C will be equals to 6 and the probability of C is equals to number of C upon number of S, that is 6 upon 52. 6 upon 52. 6 upon 52. If we divide this, we get 3 and this will be 3 upon 26. Okay. Now in the fourth part, it is given, suppose we are taking D. They given the jack of hearts. The jack of hearts. So number of D. It is particular suits is given. We know that in each suit there is a single type of card. So jack is only 1 in heart. So jack is only 1. So number of D is equals to 1. So probability of D is equals to number of D upon number of S. That is 1 upon 52. Now the fifth part we are having here. Suppose this is E and we are having a spade. So we are finding here number of spade. You know that in a single suit is there. So in a single suit, how many cards? 13 cards. Yes. So 13. So probability of E is equals to number of E upon number of S. Number of E is 13, number of S is 52. If we divide this, we will get here 1 by 4. Now the sixth part is there, and suppose this is F, we are taking the queen of diamonds. Again, particular suit is there, and each suit is having a single card, so number of F is equals to 1. So probability of F is equals to number of F upon number of S. Again, the answer is 1 upon 52. So this is the question number 14. Similarly, we can do the 15th question, but this is a little bit change. 5 cards, the 10, Jack, Queen, King and Ace of diamonds are well shuffled with their face with their face downwards. One card is picked up random. So first part we have to tell what is the probability that the card drawn is Queen. Okay, there are 5 cards. 5 cards are particular. So in 15th question we are having S as the 10, then we are having the Jack, then we are having Queen, King and Ace, and these are particular from the diamonds. Single suit is there. So what is the number of S? Number of S is given is 5. Okay, now in the first part it is given one card is then picked up at random. What is the probability the card drawn is a queen? So we will take here A as the card drawn is a queen. Okay, so number of A, how many queens we are having here? Only one queen, so 1. So what is the probability of A? Probability of A is 1 upon 5. Got it? Now in the second part what we are given here, in the second part it is given that if the queen is drawn and put aside, now queen is put aside, it means that how many remaining cards are there? So new sample space will be there. New sample space is here, so number of S is equals to 4. Again, what is the probability that the second card is picked up randomly? So what is the probability that the second card picked up is an ace and a queen? So the new sample space, here the sample space will change. Okay, so new S, अब हमारे पास जो S आया है वो क्या आ गया है? The 10 and 10, then Jack we are having. Here we can write, here it is written the Jack, Queen is not here. Then we have King and Ace. So what is the number of S? Number of S is 4 now. Okay, so now we will take B. The card drawn is an ace. Ace is 1 time here. So number of B is equals to 1. So what is the probability of B? Probability of B is equals to number of B upon number of S. Number of B is equals to 1 and number of S is equals to 4. But in the last part, because in second part also we have to find that the queen also, again queen, but in this S we don't have queen. So what is the probability? Impossible case is there. Yesterday in the last video we had discussed that if there is an impossible case the probability is 0. So if we taking here, if we taking in the second part only, if we are taking that, suppose C here we are taking the card drawn is a queen. So what is the number of C in second case? Number of C is 0. So what is the probability C of E is equals to 0. So this is the case here. Okay, now similarly we can do here the 16th question. 16th question is given 12 defective pens are accidentally mixed with 132 good pens. It is not possible to just look upon a pen and tell whether or not defective. So one pen is taken out and we have to tell that the probability that the pen taken out is good one. So 12 defective pens are there and mixed with 132 good ones. So this is the total good one. Okay, in good one it is mixed with there. So it is mixed with good one. So what is the total sample space here? 132 plus 12, that is 144. Now we have to tell the card is drawn is a good one. So 132 upon the sample space is 144, will get the answer. 17th question. A lot of 20 bulbs contain 4 defective bulbs. So what we are having here? Total number of bulbs is equals to 20. Out of that, number of defective bulbs is equals to 4. So number of non-defective bulbs is equals 20 minus 4, that is equals to 16. Now for the first part, what we are having here, in the first part we have to tell one bulb is drawn at random and what is the probability that this bulb is defective. So we have to tell for defective. So we are taking here A is equals to the bulb is defective. So what is the number of A? Number of A is here 4. So what is the probability of A? Is equals to number of A. And now what we are having, the number of sample space, that is the total number of bulbs. So this is the number of S is equals to 20. 20 bulbs are there, total 20 bulbs are there, so number of S is equals to 20. So this is number of A upon number of S. Number of A is 4 upon 20, that is 1 upon 5. This is the first answer. Now in second part, what we are giving here, in second part it is given, suppose the bulb drawn is not defective and is not replaced. उसको वापस नहीं रखा. जब बल्ब फर्स्ट पार्ट में जो बल्ब निकाला गया, अगर हम ये लेट करते हैं कि वो डिफेक्टिव नहीं था, वो ठीक था, नॉन डिफेक्टिव था, लेकिन उसको वापस लॉट में नहीं रखा, निकाल के हमने अलग से रख लिया. सो नाउ व्हाट इज द नंबर ऑफ टोटल बल्ब्स रिमेनिंग? दैट इज 19. 20 में से एक बल्ब निकला और उसको हमने अलग रख दिया और वो नॉन डिफेक्टिव था. सो total number of bulbs will also decrease by 1 and the number of non-defective bulbs also decrease by 1. So again, one bulb is drawn at random from the rest. What is the probability that this bulb is not defective? So new sample space we are having here. New sample space is equals, so number of S is equals 20 minus 1, that is 19, because वन बल्ब हमने अलग से निकाल लिया है. नाउ नंबर ऑफ नॉन डिफेक्टिव bulbs is equals, suppose this is A, so number of A we are having here, number of A is equals to, first we are having non-defective bulbs 16, so 16 minus 1 is equals to 15. So what is the probability of A is equals to number of A upon number of, or we can take here B, because in the first part we have used here A, so we are taking here B. So number of B upon number of S, that is equals to, S को भी आप चाहें तो S dash लिख सकते. So this is number of B is equals to 15 upon 19. So this is the probability to find the number of non-defective bulbs in the remaining bulbs. Okay. Now similarly we can do the next questions here, and now we are going to discuss the question number 23. For this part we have to prepare the table. This can 23 third question is there. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times. 1 rupee coin 3 times it is given, and noting its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tosses give the same result, and 3 heads or 3 tails. Either there are 3 heads or 3 tails, Hanif wins the all wins if all the tosses give the same result and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. So this is the question number 23. So when a 1 rupee coin, when a 1 rupee coin is tossed, okay, 3 times. How many times? 3 times. Then what is the sample space? So sample space will be equals to, suppose all the 3 coins having head. Okay, all the 3 having head. Maybe first 2 are having head, then is tail. Okay, maybe first is having head, tail head, or tail head head. 2 times head की probability cases हमने निकाल लिए हैं. Then we are having THT, 2 tails or 1 head हो, 2 tails 1 head, or 1 head 2 tails, and the last case is tail tail tail. Yes, last video I told you 2 to the power n. So here is 2 to the power 3. So 8 cases will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So what is the number of sample space? 8. Now we are having a condition. Hanif wins. Okay, Hanif wins if he gets same. Okay, same result means either head 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 or tail tail tail, right? And Hanif loses if he gets the remaining one. Remaining means either having head head tail head, or tail head head, this one, or tail head tail, or tail tail head, or head tail tail. So 1 2 3 4 5 6, 6 and 2 8. So this is the case here. So if we are having E, let करते हैं, let E is equals to event that Hanif will lose the game. So what is the number of E here? Loses per 1 2 3 4 5 6, and probability of E we have to find number of E upon number of S, that is 6 upon 8, or we can write here 3 by 4. So like this we can do it. Okay, so this is the question. Like this we can do the other parts also. Here is the 24th question is given. A dice thrown twice, what is the probability that 5 will not come up either time, or 5 will come up at least once? कम से कम एक बार आए, ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है, ज़्यादा टाइम भी आ सकता है. सो फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस, डाइस के लिए जब भी डाइस 2 बार थ्रो होगी तो वी हैव टू प्रिपेयर अ टेबल. सो दिस काइंड ऑफ टेबल वी कैन ड्रॉ. दिस इज for 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, because die is having 6 number, 3 4 5 and 6. So if we throw this die, तो फर्स्ट die पे हो सकता है 1 आएगा, दूसरे die पर भी 1 आ सकता है. 1 2 1 3 1 4 1 5 and 1 6. दिस इज द केस कि फर्स्ट die पर 1 आ रहा है और सेकेंड डाई पर नंबर चेंज हो रहा है. ओके, हॉरिजेंटली ये वाली डाई पर नंबर चेंज है सेकेंड वाली पर, और वर्टिकली फर्स्ट डाई पर नंबर चेंज. सो दिस इज 2 and 1, 2 and 2, 2 3 2 4 2 5 2 6, 3 1 3 2 3 3 3 4. So like this we can complete the table. So how many cases are there? The 6 are 36. So this is our sample space. So number of sample space is equals to 36. Now for the first part is given, let A is equals to 5 will not come up either time. 5 आया ही नहीं. Okay, 5 will not come up either time. 5 नहीं आया. 5 will not come up either time. So यहाँ पर हमारे पास 5 वन टाइम आ रहा है, वन टाइम वन टाइम वन टाइम. सो ये पार्ट अगर हम कट करते हैं, ओके, और ये वाला पार्ट 5, इसमें 5 के वन टाइम केस भी आ गया और 2 टाइम केस भी आ गया. तो ये केस अगर हमने निकाल दिया तो बाकी जो बचता है दैट इज़ फॉर द 5 विल नॉट कम अप ईदर टाइम. सो हाउ मेनी आर देयर? These are 25 cases because there are 36. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So this is 10 and 1 11. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 cases हमने हटा दिए हैं. तो 36 cases minus 11 cases, that is 25. So directly from the table we can count that number of A is equals to 25. And the probability of A is equals to number of A upon number of S, that is 25 upon 36. Like this we can do. Now for the second part. In second part, let B is equals to, it is given 5 will come at least once, कम से कम एक बार, लेकिन 2 बार भी आ सकते हैं. तो those cases we have cut it down from here. All those cases will come for the second part. So number of B is equals to, how many are there? 11. So probability of B is equals to number of B upon number of S, that is 11 upon 36. So this is the answer here. Now we are taking some questions from the optional. Okay, ऑप्शंस में से कुछ क्वेश्चन ले रहे हैं, तो ये बाकी क्वेश्चंस आप कर सकते हैं. 15.2 फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज देयर. 2 customers, Shyam and Nikita, are visiting a particular shop in the same week, Tuesday to Saturday. Okay, both 2 are there and they are moving from Tuesday to Saturday. So for this also we have to prepare the table. So अगर हम इसके लिए टेबल बनाते हैं, so how can we prepare this table? See, optional exercise is there 15.2 and first question is there. We are preparing the table Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. Here also Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday and Saturday. This we are taking for Shyam and this we are taking for Ekta. So Tuesday and Tuesday, Tuesday and Wednesday, Tuesday and Thursday, Tuesday and Friday, Tuesday and Saturday. Like this we can complete this table. So what is the sample space here? Number of sample space is there, that 1 2 3 4 5, 1 2 3 4 5, 5 5s are 25. This is given. Now for the first part, what is given here, that each is equally likely to visit the shop on any day as on another day. What is the probability that both will visit the shop on same day, consecutive day and different days? So first is what? Same day we are taking. So first we will write here, let A be the event visiting. This is visiting the shop by Shyam and Ekta on same day. Okay, same day. So we will check here the number of day. Same day अगर हम देखते हैं, this is Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 1 2 3 4 5. These are for same day. So these are 5 cases. So probability of A is equals to a number of A upon number of sample space, that is 5 upon 25, or we can write here 1 upon 5. Second part here, let B be the event when Ekta and Shyam visiting the shop on consecutive days. Consecutive days, we are having number of B is equals to, this can be Tuesday, Wednesday, or the converse also we can take as Wednesday, Tuesday. Okay, then Wednesday, Thursday, and we can take also Thursday, Wednesday, then Thursday, Friday, or Friday, Thursday. We can take Friday, Saturday, or Saturday, Friday. Like this we can take. How many cases are here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cases are here. So these are 8. So probability of B is equals to number of B upon number of S. This is given. So this will be 8 upon 25. Now the third one is there, C. Let C be the event. Let C be the event that, it is given in the book, that C be the event then they visiting the shop on different days. Okay, let C be the event when Ekta and Shyam visiting the shop on different days. तो हमने सेम डे का निकाला हुआ है, राइट? तो नंबर ऑफ सी कितना आएगा? नंबर ऑफ सी, और वी कैन फाइंड द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सी डायरेक्टली हियर. या तो नंबर ऑफ सी हम टेबल से काउंट कर सकते हैं, या फॉर्मूला हमें मालूम है एक, प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ सी दैट विल बी इक्वल्स टू द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए बार. ए बार ये सेम का है, अगर सेम हम हटा दें तो बाकी डेज हमारे पास आ जाएंगे. तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए इज इक्वल्स टू 1 माइनस प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए. ओके, सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ ए बार is equals to 1 minus 1 upon 5. We'll take the LCM and get the probability of C is equals to 4 by 5. Like this we can do the question. Similarly, we can do the this table, complete the table and then get the answer. Similarly, we can try the other questions also. So just try all these questions and do in the your notebook. If any problem, let me know so we can discuss those questions. Thank you so much.